Hello, friends. Welcome back to Bike to the Pro, your go-to source for all the latest news, reviews, and updates on everything related to motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of Harley-Davidson's most anticipated releases, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. This modern cruiser combines classic style with a powerful performance, and we can't wait to walk you through all the exciting features and details that make this bike stand out. So let's get started. Design and styling. Harley-Davidson has always been synonymous with iconic American cruiser design, and the Street Bob 114 continues that legacy. This 2025 model carries forward the stripped-back, minimalist approach that defines the Street Bob series, with a custom look. The blacked-out finishes across the bike, from the wheels to the exhaust, paired with a classic peanut tank and solo seat, offer a bold and aggressive stance. The 2025 Street Bob doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary details, but instead leans into its raw, tough aesthetic, engine, and performance. The 2025 Street Bob 114 is powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine, an engine configuration that has earned a reputation for its performance and reliability. This 1,868cc V-twin engine produces a thunderous 94 horsepower and a hefty 119 lv-ft of torque. Whether you're cruising or accelerating, this engine offers a smooth yet potent performance. The added power ensures that the bike doesn't just look intimidating, but also delivers a thrilling ride with plenty of low-end torque and high-end speed. The Street Bob 114 overview. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is a part of the iconic Softail lineup, known for its balanced mix of rugged looks and contemporary power. With a solid foundation from the previous models, the 2025 iteration builds on this legacy with advanced features, improved ergonomics, and a more refined overall riding experience. At the heart of this beauty lies the powerful Milwaukee 1014 V-twin engine, providing riders with an exhilarating performance, whether on the open highway or city streets. Handling and suspension. One of the highlights of the 2025 Street Bob 114 is its upgraded suspension system. The Softail frame provides superior handling with the help of the new Showa dual bending valve DBV front forks and the hidden rear shock absorbers. These components ensure a smoother ride even on rougher roads. The low-slung chassis offers confidence in surveilling stability, making it easy to maneuver through tight corners or straightaways with ease. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising the open road, the bike handles every turn effortlessly. Technology features. In 2025, Harley-Davidson has integrated more advanced technology into the Street Bob 114, making it not just a performance machine, but a smart one. The bike comes with a full-color TFT display, offering an intuitive interface with speed, gear selection, fuel efficiency, and more. Additionally, the Street Bob 114 is equipped with optional rider aids, including traction control and ABS, to enhance safety and control. For those who want to connect on the go, there's even a Bluetooth med system for music and navigation. Ergonomics and comfort. Although the 2025 Street Bob 114 is a bike built for performance, Harley-Davidson has not neglected rider comfort. The bike's ergonomic design ensures that riders of all sizes can find a comfortable and natural riding position. The seat is low and well-cushioned, allowing for a relaxed ride, even on long trips. The handlebars are within easy reach, promoting a comfortable upright posture. Additionally, the foot pegs are strategically placed to avoid cramping while offering solid control over the bike. Brakes and stopping power. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Street Bob 114 doesn't compromise. It features dual-disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear, all of which are enhanced with advanced anti-lock braking system, ABS, for more control during emergency braking or on slippery surfaces. This braking system offers a great combination of power and precision, ensuring that you can stop on a dime when needed without losing control. Customization options. One of the most attractive features of the Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is its level of customization. Harley offers an extensive list of optional accessories and parts, ranging from handlebars, grips, exhaust systems, and mirrors, all the way to custom seat options. The bike's minimalist design provides an ideal canvas for customization, letting owners build a truly unique machine that fits their personal style. Price and availability. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 starts at around $15,000, making it a mid-range option for those looking for a powerful, stylish cruiser without breaking the bank. Of course, the price can rise depending on the selected customizations and optional add-ons. The bike is expected to hit Harley-Davidson dealerships globally by mid-2025, so be sure to check with your local dealership to see when you can get your hands on one. The final verdict. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is an exceptional blend of classic cruiser style, modern technology, and raw performance. With the Milwaukee E114 engine, stunning design, and improved ergonomics, it caters to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Whether you're cruising city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this bike provides an unforgettable riding experience. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and customizable cruiser that stays true to Harley-Davidson's legacy. Thanks for watching today's review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible motorcycle as much as we did. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Updater Pro for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Drop your thoughts or questions about the Street Bob 114 in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and keep those wheels turning.